Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can give feedback in Bing app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Just tap over there and now you can see the settings option. So once you tap on it, you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the feedback option. So once you find the feedback option, which is at the bottom of this screen, so simply tap on that option and now you can see I like something, I don't like something, I have a suggestion. So you can choose any of the following and you can actually give a feedback from here. So yeah, basically this is how you can give feedback in Bing app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.